More than 700k people signed petition that call for the resignation of Ghebreyesus, WHO Director General. Some lucky marketing company just got 700,000 new emails to spam to change. Org petitions mean about as much as this comment. And who would replace him? The WHO is perpetually stuck with an impossible job. Either they act before they have enough information and get shit for causing disturbances when these diseases don't live up to the pandemic label, or they wait until they have that data and then they're crucified for not acting sooner. Just look at the response they received when SARS didn't turn into the massive issue they were warning it would be. For those who don't remember, there was a lot of public outcry that the reaction was overblown and unnecessary. This link has been shared 8 times. First seen here, https://red. it/fpxp6f, on March 27, 2020. Last seen here, https://red. it/fdoir, on April 1, 2020. Searched links *57,975,801 indexed posts *447,527,790 search time *0:022s. Feedback. Hate. Visit r/repost sleuthbot*. The dude covered up a cholera pandemic in his own country, and then continued to lie about it. Then when surrounding countries started to identify the disease, and realized it had spread from his country, he tried to pay off the doctors who discovered it. The fact that he is still the Director General of the WHO tells you pretty much all you need to know about the WHO. Edit, it was cholera, not E. coli, my bad. Hell, I'm still pissed off at their bowing to China when it comes to alternative medicine, https://en. Wikipedia, org/wiki/world_health_organization #WHO_an_traditional_medicine. Removed. Wait, what? Why? What has the WHO done wrong? The populist online petition, as meaningful in the real world as thoughts and prayers. Americans, WHO sucks, China's puppet. Also Americans, WHO says don't wear masks. I'm not wearing masks. Masks don't do anything. America, shit. We don't have enough masks. America, leading the world in total cases of COVID-19 even though they were warned and had time to prepare. Then stole shipments of masks from Canada and Germany. Edit, after reading some comments below, may I add. Americans, China lied about their number. So they probably actually have more deaths than us, hooray. Jesus Christ, people. This is not a fucking competition. So what if China lied? So what if they have more cases than us? Does it make us the good guy? Does it make this situation any better? Instead of trying to defend this shit show in America by arguing that some other country look worse, can we just admit that our government fucked up and just try to do whatever it takes to protect ourselves and others around us? Stay home, wash your hands, wear masks when you go outside. That's all that matters right now. I'm an American, and I'm so disappointed with the attitude that we have and how defensive we are. Most retarded petition ever, but at least I have the satisfaction of knowing that these morons will have their emails sold to spammers and change. Org will spam them too with emails. Can someone Eli 5? Removed. China in February, we have this under control. America and the world is overreacting. They should not ban travel from China, that's excessive and unnecessary. Listen to WHO. https://www.fmprc.gov. CN/MFA_X/WF/66539/S2510_6654001/2511_6654003/T1739548, I swear people have no idea what the UN actually is and how its organizations and organs work. Idiocracy all around these comments. China be damned. It's not as if other nations like Taiwan and South Korea weren't able to take quick and direct action to address the threat of a pandemic with the information available. If nations like the US who came late to the party still found themselves blindsided by the virus, it's not the WHO is responsible for their inept actions. They have been talking about the threat of future pandemics for many years, and have been mostly ignored, until now. This just reeks of politics. Ah yes, online petitions. Known for influencing real world. This will have as much of a result as the petition to rewrite GOT Season 8. First of all, weird website. Secondly, a US-based petition. Thirdly, probably US people being mad at the wrong person. Trump could have stopped this all along if he took it serious from the start, let's be honest. The WHO doesn't tell you what to do, it's advice. Trump should have pulled the strings. You better make a petition for Trump to resign. Stop blaming others US, start bettering yourself first. Edit, seems it's change.org, which is US based, however, I cannot figure out if it is truly started from the US. Furthermore, I stay with my point that every country can act by itself and that the WHO is just for advice. If too much people died in your country, you should blame your government. For example, the Netherlands are not as strict as the WHO advises, and for example Denmark went on a very strict program. 100% respect to Taiwan. So the article has a point about the Chinese numbers probably being untrue, but the WHO was warning from the start that this could get bad if it got out, and was telling countries to shut down weeks before they did. Dear citizens, your governments have failed you, not the WHO, your governments. Any country, especially wealthy nations, who didn't act swiftly value economics and business more than the citizens of their country. Turn your anger to your governments who have failed. Removed. https://udo.b/pxi0pu. And the next gets voted in, is met with the same constraints, and another petition will follow for the same thing. Has a petition ever really worked? I'm more surprised there are 700k people naive enough to think change.org has any bearing on reality. Is there any petition to call for the resignation of FDA and CDC guys? If he resigns, we can have an actual Chinese doctor, or not, who cares, appointed, and at least eliminate hypocrisy, since COVID is out of the queue. The problem is with WHO, on how only China has been paying most of its bills. Even if we remove Ghebreyesus, things will remain same unless other countries start giving their share. If that's the case, I should be able to get millions to sign a petition for Trump's resignation. All he does is lie, hide and glorify. He has failed every disaster horribly. Now, with the pandemic, red states get twice what they order while blue states don't even receive their orders. He's got many unnecessary American deaths on his hands and many more to come. Murder by negligence. Such a dangerous mix of corruption and incompetence. Are people stupid or something? They seem to be complaining about him not doing certain things, even though he was actually doing those exact things the whole time. This just insignificant percentage of the world population signs a random change.org petition. Literally, who the fuck cares? Is the WHO actually trying to protect China, or are they just making screw-ups that people are linking to China? Genuine question, not trying to side either way, just I've always thought of the WHO as very neutral and genuinely concerned with the health of the world's people and not nations themselves. WHO in January, hey guys, this is serious, honestly it's of international concern. Rest of the world, WHO in February, hey no seriously, this is likely going to be a pandemic. Rest of the world, WHO in early March, okay well it's literally a pandemic now. Rest of world, let's see how it plays out. WHO in April, y'all are fucked. World, shocked PK face, the WHO is a China puppet state that lied to us and can't be trusted. Why didn't you warn us? There was literally no way to see this coming. It's entirely your fault. Like, even if the WHO hadn't been directly warning the entirely world on a daily basis for months, how the fuck hard is it to have seen this coming? Am I fucking clairvoyant or something? Is China building 2 hospitals in 10 days? Let me repeat that, 10 days, and once more in case Trump admin is reading, 2 hospitals in 10 fucking days, somehow not a serious fucking sign? There is literally nothing that anyone could have done to make the world take this seriously. We could have sent Trump with a full TV crew, got a COVID patient to cough in his face, and then filmed his 3-week slow death in a crowded hospital hallway, and I honestly doubt people would have reacted differently. We had our fucking chance. Time to eat the shit pie and remember that next time, we all need to vote to put competent people in charge.